Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a quick pre-market update on HIMS and hers after the Super Bowl ad. The Super Bowl ad has been really successful, but there are some pushbacks coming from big pharma. People are saying that the stock, there's a copycat. Their weight loss side of businesses, just a copycat of other weight loss medication. And I think this is a good sign. Big pharma is clear sign that big pharma is kind of losing the battle. Pre-market it has been up and down. At one point it was up at 5%. Right now it's down to 1.7%. We'll see, but I think the shorts are in trouble here with the stock. If they're really trying to push this down. Normally HIMS, the prices are pretty volatile. When it drops pretty fast. So we'll see if where the support is at. But my prediction is it'll go up, because if you look at the apps on medication side, HIMS and hers, especially the hers is at numbers 2. It was trending on Google yesterday. A lot of people are searching. Even if they can convert a little bit of that into the subscribers, that is a lot of subscribers where they can make money from. Weight loss is one of a big problem in North America, so it can do really well, and they're trying to solve some of that problem. But it's a good sign, if the app is really trending to be number 2, hers, and then I think HIMS is number 5. People are really looking into this stock, and that Super Bowl ad was pretty successful, I think. We'll see where the stock goes from here. My prediction would be upwards, even over 50 in short term before earnings, but we'll see. Not investment advice, but just what I think. I'm a shareholder, holding it since few months. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.